Alright, this is what I'm working on now. Returning the motor to the bobcat. Got drain oil and everything. Here's the bobcat in all its glory. I had to rebuild the hydraulic system that's down in there. It's all beat up. Leaking everywhere. Come down here. Put new filters. This is where the hoses was at. That was all messed up back in there. I had to pull all this out and redo it. Tighten everything up. And we got to get new hoses for up here. All new air filters. Got it clean as I can get it. It's a pain in the butt. And I'm almost done. Wow. Alright. I'm almost done. Waiting for one more part. One hose. And like I say, this is the bobcat. Got it in the shop. Put the motor out. There's the motor. Got it all cleaned up. Changing the oil right now. More diesel. For a 4-cylinder. And man, is it strong. So, like you say now, just changing the oil and it is super black. Alright, check it out. Put it all back together. She should be good to go. Got all my tools. And I got my new command station set up at the shop. With the giant TV and all the computer junk. There's my nephew. Hey, Gray! My ninja. Alright. This camera where we keep an eye on everything. And my giant TV in the shop. And the bobcat one more time. A lot of work, but it's almost done. Okay?